Hello, I'm Tochku and I'll be taking you through the view sales and add sale under the sales section on Niva. Right, so you can use these two features to view the sales of your business or add impute a sale record. Right, you can also use this button here to impute a sale. So when you click on view sales, it shows you your sales. So you can use this button to print, while you can use these other buttons to export to these various file formats if you want to know. Now, if you look at the table, you will notice that some of the sales are in the serial number in red. So the ones that are in red, what it means is that the record has been edited or altered at least once from when it was created, since when it was created. And once a record is edited, the owner of the business and the managers do get email notifications of that the sale has just been edited, right? But if you see it in black, means it wasn't edited since when it was created. Then if you look, you see that some of them you can see edit and delete for these particular ones, right? But you can't actually edit or delete the other ones. And the only one you can see edit for here is this, but you cannot see delete. So these particular ones, the reason why you can see edit and delete is because the sale records is not more than 7 days since when the sale records were imputed, right? That's where you can see edit and you can see delete. But once it's more than 7 days, you can see edit and delete. But once it's more than 7 days from when it was created, the only time you can still edit the sale record is if it's a sale done on credit, right? Like if the sale is yet to be paid for or still being paid for, the payment has not been completed, you can edit it. And to edit it, you can change the payment type from credit to paid alongside other information you want to add. And once you do that, you no longer be able to edit the sale again. So how do you actually impute a sale record? So if you use this button here or this, you can go there and do it. So when you click on this, it brings up a form, right, that you can use to impute a sale, right? Um, so this write up here already explains, what I said just now. Then this second write up here, what it means is that if you impute a sale, if there's a place settings, right? If you come to business and you click on view settings, so you can actually turn on that feature. What that feature means, if that feature is turned on, and you can watch the settings video, view the settings video, for businesses on Niva to get more understanding of it. But I'll just briefly explain it. What it means is that if that setting is turned on to audit the inventory on its sale, what it means is that it's going to deduct the quantity sold from the inventory each time you input a sale record, right? And if the quantity, as of the time of recording this video, if the quantity you imputed as is what you sold is more than what is in stock currently, it will flag it. It will show an error that you should go and update the inventory before you actually come and before you impute the sale record, right? So, but for you can watch that particular video for more details on that. For the sake of this video, we'll just be sticking to this explanation. You can watch that video for more of that. So let's quickly impute it. So you select the product. So let's actually select the product and you select the payment type, right? So in this case, we'll actually use paid. We'll use paid to show you how you can impute. Oh no, we use credit. Let's start with credit, right? So we use credit. The reason why we're using credit is because we want to show you something called credit sale repayment, right? It's a feature you can actually use to, for those who are actually interested in it. Like if you you are the type that likes to document each step of the way of the sale repayment, right? So you can actually use the notes feature down here, so it documents it, right? But if you don't want to do that, if you want to actually go the extra mile to document, instrumental payments for a particular sale by a customer, just a particular sale, you can use something called credit sale repayment. And I'm going to show you that. But for me to be able to show you that, we have to create the sale as a credit sale, meaning that it's not yet been paid for or it has not been completely paid for. So we impute the quantity. So let's just say 10, right? We say 10. Um, we say 10. Or let's say 100. No, let's just leave it at 10, right? And then this automatically calculates it. What it means is that you want Niva to automatically determine the total amount spent. But let's have the total amount, paid. But let's assume it was a discount sale, or it was a sale you just made, a sale you let go of because maybe you sold on discount, or you just wanted to sell it lesser than the price, but the price of the goods doesn't still change, right? So you can use manually enter it. So what will happen is you would actually enter the total amount from the sale, and Niva will automatically determine how much each unit of the product was sold and keep all of that, right? So it will not affect the price of the product because he knows that the product is still that price. This is just a discount sale, right? Or something like that. It is a unique scenario. But in this case, we're just going to leave it on automatically calculate it. And you select the date of the sale. So let's just put the date, right? So if you want, you can actually select the customer that made the purchase, but we'll just be leaving that for this video. So wherever you see the red asterisk, it means that you must actually supply that, right? So you have to put the equipment, the employees that were involved in the sale. So let's select the employees, and then you can decide to select equipment involved in the sale, right? So let's just put one, right? So documents on Niva, right? So documents on Niva and any record on Niva are simply just extra documents you want to attach to support that uh, record, right? To support that record. So how does it actually work? You can select any file, right? But it should be within the allowed file formats and the rules. So let's just select an actual file. So let me just select an image, right? So let's just say this, right? And then we can select that. You have up to 4 slots. You can even combine images or more information on like what document, PDF, and still upload. You can attach Excel and the allowed file formats. So videos basically on Niva, like if you want to actually record videos of a sale, right, and attach to sale records, you can do that. So what you do is you record the video, you upload it to any video platform that you want, YouTube, whichever one you like. You understand? You can upload it here with the tips section, right? There are some channels, some platforms that have been listed, right? But Niva doesn't stop you from using any other platform you want, right? All you need to do is copy the link and paste it here. So let's just get a link from YouTube and just paste it here. So once you do that, you paste the video link, and we can add additional details. We say sales today, and then we click submit. So you can see that the sale record has been successfully created, right? If you click on view, you can see something, right? You can use this print page to print the page. So you can see that it gives you the details of the sale, and I will come to this, right, to explain all of this in detail. But let me just quickly go through it and show you. You can see the employees details, right? The employees details. You can see the equipment involved in the sale. Now you can see the documents, and you can actually see the video, right? So which can be watched too. So coming to these credit sale repayments, right? So remember when I talked about documenting, maybe you made a sale on credit and the customer is paying instrumentally, or the customer hasn't paid, just giving the goods, he hasn't made any payments, and he promised to be sending some money or selling parts. So you can either use the note feature, right, to document each step of the way for those who want that. But for those who want a little bit extra, they can use this feature, right, to document each credit sale repayment, right? And you can actually watch and understand that more in the credit sale repayments video, right? But this is how you can actually use to document it, right? But I'm not focusing on that for this video. So if we want to edit a sale, right? So let's go back, and let's say we want to edit a sale. Let's say let's click on edit. So let's say the customer has finally made payment for the sale, right? And then let's just put a payment method, right? So if you come down here, right, what this thing essentially means is whenever you upload a document on Niva, right, if you check this option, it deletes the existing document that was uploaded here. You can see here you can actually upload new documents. It doesn't stop you from doing that, but if you do this, it will delete the previous document that was uploaded here. Now if you select a new file, right, it's going to replace the existing document that was there, right? It's going to replace it. But if you don't want any of that to happen, you can see that it has ruled this out. But if you don't want any of that to happen, actually, you can just leave it and submit normal. But let's replace that one that was initially there, and then let's see how that goes. and then you can still add more video links and edit, right? So let's just say from Eric, um, let's say from James, right? And then we click update. So when we click update, like I said, the owner of the business and the managers do get email notifications, right? So you can see it has been converted to paid, right? And you can see that the serial number is showing in red now. If I click on view, you can see that it's now showing paid, and it's showing this last updated on is now in red to tell you that it has actually been altered at least once from when it was created. So if you look at the notes section, right, you see that from James it has updated. Now if you scroll down, you can see that the document has changed and the video link is still there. So if we go back with this, you can still use this to print the page. Now if we go back, right, how do we delete a sale? So if you want to delete a sale, if you just click on this delete, it brings a pop-up asking you if you really want to delete the sale. So if you say yes, you want to delete the sale, then it deletes it, and you can see, so the sale will get deleted, and then the owner of the business and the managers get updated, that the sale, they get a notification that the sale was actually deleted. Thank you for your time, and do enjoy the rest of your day.